You are the only one left, the last man on Earth. All the men have mysteriously disappeared. Why? Maybe it was a virus, perhaps a genetic experiment gone wrong, or maybe something beyond our imagination. But now, it doesn't matter why or how the male population went extinct. You, the sole surviving man, are left in a world now entirely populated by women. Just imagine it. All eyes are on you. What happens next? What does a world without men look like? The dream that many men might have fantasized about has now become your reality. But hey, let me ask a more serious question. How will women survive without men? And you, the last man on Earth, what fate awaits you in the new world? Will you become a hero or a victim? How far are women willing to go to have you by their side even for just one night? Today, in this fascinating video, we will answer all these questions. So stay tuned with Dark Fact. After the extinction of man, the only thing that matters now is this. You are the last representative of men on Earth. The last trace of testosterone in a world overflowing with estrogen. From this moment forward, your life will never be the same again. You are now a legend, a key to humanity's survival. But let me be clear, your new life will be nothing like the fantasy you imagined. In a world without men, chaos ensues. Industries like construction, mining, heavy repairs, and transportation face massive crises. The lack of skilled workers in physically demanding jobs becomes painfully evident. It might take years for women to adapt and develop new solutions to these challenges. But history has shown that humans are incredibly resilient. Now let me ask, what role do you play in this situation? Perhaps you think your dream life is about to begin with lines of beautiful women waiting for your attention. But reality is far harsher. This scenario isn't romantic or comedic, it's more of modern tragedy. Because in this new world, you become a strategic resource. Well, let's talk numbers. The global population is 8 billion, with half 4 billion being women. Around 25% of these women are of reproductive age, totaling approximately 1.64 billion individuals. Now imagine even if you were a superhero and managed to engage in 10 intimate encounters a day, that's only 3,650 in a year. But remember, the success rate of conception isn't 100%. At best, only half of your efforts might succeed, resulting in about 1,825 children per year. The problem is, time isn't on your side. Women have a limited reproductive window, typically between the ages of 15 and 45. Each year, 3% of this group ages out of fertility. This means you have only 21 years before half of the reproductive population is no longer capable of having children. Now imagine the toll this takes on your body. Humans aren't machines. Your sperm quality will decline and physical and mental exhaustion will catch up with you. Eventually, you will burn out, but the expectation placed on you won't fade because you are the last man standing and countless women are waiting for your attention. And that's just the beginning of the problems. Even if everything goes perfectly, genetic diversity takes a massive hit. The next generation would be plagued by genetic disorders and weakened immune systems. At best, humanity's third generation would be riddled with the genetic crisis. On the other hand, the world without men grows even more complicated. Nations and factions might compete to gain access to you, the last man of Earth. Wars could erupt, not for gold or oil, but for survival. Imagine World Wars 4 and 5 fought over you, with countless lives lost in fiery, catastrophic battles. But can science replace you? Maybe. Technology is advancing rapidly. Artificial wombs, cloning, and genetic engineering could soon replace the need for men. Sperm banks might sustain humanity for a few decades, but eventually those reserves will run dry and science will step back in. Even today's successful experiment has been conducted on mice. Perhaps you will end up as nothing more than a relic of the past, or maybe a tool for the pleasure of a wealthy woman. This story isn't a fantasy or a comedy, it's a stark reality about humanity's fragility. So, are you still eager to the last man on Earth? Okay guys, we finished this video. Thank you that you watched this video until the end. Please support us by like, comment and subscribing the Dark Fact channel.